Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. You gonna sit, Sasha? Sit. And this is Sasha. You will see her in my videos coming and going. And hopefully I will be switching some videos over to training her and showing what she can do. She is a purebred German Shepherd and she's a West German Shepherd from the working line. So if she isn't bred, she will be in a lot more videos as we will be doing shows with her and some more. Today we are going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Starter box. I sent a couple, one of my friends had gathered one after she saw my video. She paid $8 American to ship it to Canada. These boxes are just sort of like a taster as to what the actual boxes contain. They do change up. She thought she would get the same box as me. She didn't. She phoned me up and she let me do this video for you. So I'm not exactly sure what's in this box, but we will see. So it is a new starter box. It isn't mine, but I will give my opinion on it, whether it's worth the $8 or not. If you've already seen this video, I thank you for watching. I know I've been away and I've gotten behind on everything. So again, thanks for watching. So let's get into this FabFitFun starter box. Now this is $5 in the US to ship, and this is $8 to ship to Canada, American. They are given out usually just before just as they're launching the spring box, and as summer box, or as each box is beginning to release, they send these to current subscribers. To get more subscribers, you have 21 days to cancel after this box ships. If you don't cancel, you will be charged $49.99 for that box. Most times, once you're charged, they ship you out a box. So if you contact them right away, they're pretty good about canceling your account or allowing you to customize some of your box. But if you get it like right now, you will get the editor's box, which is pretty neat. I've been trying to prevent myself from buying it because I need to slow down on all these boxes. I find that FabFitFun does have some shipping issues. This came really, really quick for my friend. She said she was like, it shipped out within a couple days of her paying, and it was here before she knew it. So with that being said, I'm still hearing some issues with the shipping process. So if you do decide to keep with the subscription, just be warned, it may take a while for you to ship. Now, FabFitFun is really awesome. They have add-on sales, which is kind of nice, and then in between the boxes they have like an edit sale with an edit box, and sometimes the edit box is really amazing. I got it last spring and I loved it so much. I stayed for summer, fall, and I believe winter, and I canceled after winter. I wasn't too thrilled with what was available in the spring box. With that being said, I do want to head back to them. I really do like them. I do like the add-on sale. You can get so many things for so cheap. It does take a while to get to you, but it's sometimes well worth it. So this is the FunFitFab magazine. I believe it has some articles, it has quiz, horoscopes, perks of the box. Kind of goes through what you're able to do, some of the items. So they have this, which is kind of nice. Fill it in and share. My name is I'm Beautiful because today I will, my biggest inspiration, my guilty pleasure song. Today I will let someone know that they are my daily mantra. They target this box mostly at women. They try to go for women products. So a note from us: bring you the best. The experience your starter box is just a small taste of what you can look forward to. So my friend didn't even, she just filled up the front and realized that she didn't have the same box as me. She got really excited. It says share to win FabFitFun, which I have done. They do comment. So the first item I see is 2 Glam Glow masks. How awesome is that? These are worth $12 here in Canada at the Sephora. So right here is more than the cost of the box to ship to me. And if this was my box, I'd be thrilled right here. just these two items. I do like their mask. I do like how they foam up. I found them really good. I did get them in a regular box. I believe it might have been the fall box. So I really like them. So the next item I see here is Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh. Huh. I have their spray for their body oil, and I absolutely love it. I've tried their truffle cleanser, and I really loved it. The toner I wasn't too big on, but a lot of the products I really, really do like. So I'm not sure how much that is. I wonder, does this, oh, it does. Okay, so actually it says here that the Glam Glows are 18, so I'm guessing that's for 2 of them. Okay, so here in Canada they are a bit more, especially with the exchange. I believe that they're $12 each, but I could be wrong on that. So this is $35 right here. So I mean, that's kind of awesome. So the next item I have heard lots of good things about. This is a microdermabrasion. It polishes away dead skin scales to reveal radiant skin. I believe I have this upstairs from another box. And oh, this was a free gift from, that's right. Yes, that's right. So I have this already. I think I actually have 2 of them upstairs. I will have to check. Yeah, I know I do have one. It was $79. Wow. It's crazy. So I'll definitely be using this. If not this one of the ones I do have upstairs. I do like microdermabrasion. So the last item I see, it's a Rachel Pally scarf. And this is supposed to be valued at $68. I will say some of the items like these are a little bit overinflated. I did get a scarf from Luxebox, and I've been using it like crazy. This is nice and light. You can kind of see through it. Oh, that's actually really, really pretty. Ooh. Now I know I don't usually wear scarves. I'm not a big scarf wearer, but I think I'm gonna maybe steal this off my friend. I don't know, but I'm sure she'll be wearing this. It's nice and light, perfect for the spring. Wow, that's actually, and it feels nice. Ooh. So these are the 4 items that I got, or that she got, I should say. So I have to say that was well worth it. So if you were looking for a box, I would head over to Facebook, maybe ask your friend if they have a FabFitFun. This is the retail value is $200. I mean, like just this is $80. So I mean, and this is a full size. Everything is full size. So I would definitely grab this. This is definitely worth it. But just remember, after the box ships, you can actually go in and cancel your subscription. It's not that hard. They do ask a couple questions, so just make sure you pay attention to what you're doing, and you can cancel it. You can also start your trial after your box ships. You can start your regular subscription if that's what you're looking for, and it'll start charging you $49.99. To Canada, they do add an extra $8 to ship. So I mean, that's not too bad. If you buy your box right now, I believe you get the spring edit. With that being said, the add-ons and extras you can't get right now. The summer one, I believe, starts in May, and they do customizations. They do it all, and they have the add-on sales at first, and then it opens for customization, especially for people that are in the annual, and then for the people that are seasonal. I do have a link below. I'm not sure if because I'm not active right now, I may not get it, but it's a $15 credit that I get. They do often have specials where if you sign up, you get a free mystery bundle. So keep an eye out for that. They do often have sales where you can get the box for 40 to 60% off. But yeah, so I think this is a great box. My friend should be thrilled. I guess I won't be using this because it's not mine. I will be using the one I have. I'm hoping she'll use this then. This is really nice. I've heard really nice things about this. But thanks for watching. As it's popping up, there should be the subscribe button. If you could just kindly subscribe. I'm giving away a couple items from my 500 subscription giveaway. Thanks for watching.